Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by preparing the document and finding the index fields. Make a backup now, then open the document and use Ctrl+F or go to References Index to locate the index. Next, toggle field codes with Alt+F9 so you can see the index fields instead of the formatted page. This shows the underlying code that generates the index. Once visible, you can decide whether to delete the whole field or edit specific entries, which prevents accidental loss of other content. Now you'll remove or edit the index field itself. Click and drag to select the full index. Field code shown after Alt+F9, then press Delete to remove it entirely. If you prefer to edit, change field switches or entry text inside the braces and then press F9 to update that single field. Once done, toggle Alt+F9 back to hide codes and check for remaining index entries. Make sure to update other fields so cross-references and TOC remain accurate. Finish by confirming the index is gone and the document is intact. Toggle Alt+F9 to hide codes and inspect surrounding text. Save the file under a new name if satisfied. If you accidentally deleted content, press Ctrl+Z immediately to undo, then selectively remove only the index field next time. If the index reappears, search for other index fields or check for a template-driven automation. Make sure to update all fields with F9 and review header/footer regions where an index could be placed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.